it's Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I'm going to talk with you today about empathy and how critical it is to you developing really high emotional intelligence. When you can put yourself in someone else's shoes and understand their experience and what they're going through, you have a better chance of understanding what they want and need with you in a business relationship. So my advice is that you work extra hard at developing empathy by having regular conversations with people at all levels of your business, your customers, your prospects, your employees, your channel partners, your vendors that you work with, and make sure you think very carefully about their needs, their wants, their desires. When your empathy is high, you're going to be making great decisions and having more valuable relationships with everybody in your value chain. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, where we pride ourselves on helping our clients to deliver ambitious results. See you next time.